Yeah, hi. There's a pretty you have you have the shortcuts on the iPhone, but that's the most unused or underutilized or underestimated app which is in your iPhone. There are multiple things you can run using that, and one of which I'm going to show you today is an anytime workflow which you can trigger from your iPhone. And what I'm going to show you today is to trigger a personal agent workflow, but you can definitely do a lot of other stuff. You can trigger any kind of workflows using your shortcuts app straight from your iPhone. Now, what you see is over here, what you see is the shortcuts app open on my Mac. I have the same thing. It's basically a replication of a replication of my shortcuts app from my iPhone. So I'm just running it here. So it's easy to demonstrate it. This is a personal agent workflow which I have here. So basically here what happens is when I run this, I get to dictate text. The text which is dictated gets, of course, transcribed, and that content is sent to this webhook. The webhook is hidden to you uh, to avoid it, to avoid me having to change it again later. So when this webhook is sent, it comes over here to this webhook. It gives the personal agent. The personal agent checks out what's the task, and based on that, it runs through one of these workflows and then returns in response to the webhook. That is shown to me as contents over here as text, as well as then I have it dictated out to me, and that's how it is. So okay, so this was a previous one, so we can ignore that. So let's get to it. Before I go to it, in case you're looking at how do I learn all this stuff, you can definitely copy what I've done over here. But if you actually want to understand and know how to automate your life and your business, and also do it as a profession, then you can join other school communities which I'm a part of down, which helped me get to where I am today, and I'm learning every day. So let's get to this automation now. So let's trigger this webhook. Let's execute this workflow. Once executed, we come back here. So this is waiting. That's a bug which is there, but this is waiting for me to execute. I will press play over here. Hi, can you tell me what's happening on my calendar for today, the 18th of July? Tell me what's happening only in the evening. I don't want to know what's happening in the morning, only what are the events happening today evening on the 18th of July. Thank you. So I've done it. It's triggered the webhook. The data, what I've just given has been given the personal agent. The personal task agent has given the calendar agent, and that's the output. For the evening today, this is my task. This is what I have happening today. And once I say OK,
Output for the
you can
evening of
hear
today, July 18th,
the output being spoken.
2025. You have the following event. NN event. Ask robot face.
Okay, so we can definitely format it better. I just stopped it, but you can definitely format better to give a better output than using all the slash ins. But this is how a simple automation is made. And if you have any questions, leave in the comment below, and I will respond to it as soon as possible. Thank you. Looking forward to seeing you inside the school communities if interested in automating. I also do automations as a business, so in case you want, if you're interested in automating your business, leave a comment below, or you can visit my website also and have a free discovery call on how I show you how I can automate your business and save a ton of time. Thank you so much.